Hi, this is Raluca here. In the last video, you've hopefully managed to import the planner using Goodnotes and Dropbox and discover the productivity tip as well. Now let's see how to navigate the planner using the power of hyperlinks and PDF outlines. First, open the Goodnotes app and let's get started. In order to navigate the planner, you have three options. Flipping through pages is option number one, just like a normal paper planner here. The second option is using the hyperlinks, monthly tabs, to get you to each month section, additional tabs for notes, meetings, projects, track it, and meals. And you also have smart links to get to the first page, templates, calendar, a knowledge base, and contact form. Lastly, you have a link to a master to-do list right here. We'll talk about these links in the third video, but what I want to highlight now that in order to use those hyperlinks, you will need to be in the viewing mode. The viewing mode is active whenever you have this icon blue, the icon with the pen crossed. Activate the icon and start using your hyperlinks. There is a third option you can use, and that is the PDF outlines. You can use this PDF outline while you are in the editing mode as well. Here I am editing something, and then if I hit this icon here with the 4 rectangles, I can see I'm in the PDF outlines already, and I can surf through this list and go to the week I want to go to. This is it, but before I close the video, let me share a sweet productivity tip with you. Use bookmarks for important notes. These will help you find your notes with just a click. Let's say you are on this page here and you've written something important. Go ahead, hit this icon, go to bookmarks and add a bookmark. Okay. And there you have it. On page 24, you have a bookmark, My Note. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time on the third video when we are going to see what's inside this digital planner.